Personal level for gaming, I an honor for gaming, pero nagigame ako pero hindi siya capable or higher level for brain surgical for my your drain brain. Kumbaga yung utak mo hinahalo kayo ng demonyo sa computer kasi habang nagko-computer ka yung mind mo parang is a focus on work on it for the computer mobile na hinahanap mo for the right win, for not good win, for the beginning. Parang yung brain mo is very cracked and damages because evil, parang yung kapangyarihan ng demonyo, kinukuha yung diwa mo at saka yung utak mo, hinahalo at hanggat mamatay ka. Because lalo ngayon tamalak ang mga mobile game na version of a strong mobile phone because all people is busy to earning money and cash. Kaya ang kapalit nito ay kamatayan. You know, for example, because assemble the word the computer is very based to other people. Alam naman natin ang gamer ay for intruder when going to busy of your technology. So, marami kasi ang tao na gumagamit ng computer or mobile phone na ang iba ginagamit for worship to difficult works talaga ang nangyayari sa earth. Ang technology ginagamit ng mga bad people, ang mga electronic gadget ay ginagamit ng mga light people ang ginagamit sa worship kasi depende rin na sa tao kung paano siya mag-work in the computer system or gaming mobile phone, pero ang effect talaga nito is very disgusting. Kaya maraming namamatay dahil sa mga gaming na yan, gamers for busy, atake for death, heart attack, o kung ano-anong mga brain damage nangyari to sa Philippines, China, all over the world na mahilig sa mga gaming, earning money. Parang TikTok yun eh. Hanggat busy ka, hindi mo alam na uubos ng oras for the time you're found. That's your home. Kung dito ka mamamatay or whatever, you run. Because you're not ready, but all busy for time. Ubos na ang panahon mo for running, hindi ka na makakalabas ng buhay. Kaya kayo mga bilib-bilib dyan, ay sorry, mawawala, mabilis ang buhay nyo at kayamanan nyo, hindi nyo madadala yan. Kaya yung mga mayayaman na wala na magpaglagyan ng pera, ang ginagawa nila nagpapakamatay kasi for over the tax money, over the pound, ay naman nila magbigay dahil sa madamot dahil pinaghirapan nila for is not ready for the beginning. You're always abandon the organ about the demonic society. Follow me, subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you. So online game is for our people who's busy, for evil connected to computer system, for intelligent people, for gamer. Kaya may mga phone talaga na linihap for gaming because your brain is focused the material in the game. Parang hinahalo ka yung utak mo hanggat mamatay ka because level this. So online game is for our people who's busy, for evil connected to computer system, for intelligent people, for gamer. Kaya may mga phone talaga na linihap for gaming because your brain is focused the material in the game. Parang hinahalo ka yung utak mo hanggat mamatay ka because level this.